Hello, Chair Hudson, Vice Chairs Fragala and Harbeck, and members of the committee. My name is Autumn Oberhart. I'm a senior at the University of Oregon, and I double major in environmental studies and political science, and double minor in environmental humanities and legal studies. Thank you for the opportunity to testify today regarding my experiences and the benefits to my education the Oregon Hazards Lab has provided me with. I began working at the Oregon Hazards Lab this past fall, and I serve as the undergraduate communications assistant. As an undergraduate student in this position, I've developed my skills in science communication, brand development, community and stakeholder engagement, and translating complex science information into accessible messaging for a wide audience. This is the first STEM role I've taken on at the university, and I am grateful for the opportunity to bridge the gap between science and communication. The Oregon Hazards Lab has expanded my perspective on the importance of clear, accessible public information that in regards to public safety, emergency preparedness, and natural hazards. I've joined a contingent of 18 OHAZ undergrads that have gained real-world research experience since 2021. I've assisted in the creation of stakeholder outreach for the template of our wildfire detection cameras, development of our newsletters, content creation for our growing social media platforms, and facilitation of community events we've sponsored. Following my graduation, I plan to find similar science communication roles before I pursue my JD and master's with focuses on environmental law and natural resource conservation. I'm confident that the skills and experiences I've gained at the Oregon Hazards Lab will continue to shape my approach to bridging the gap between research, outreach, policy, and community engagement. Thank you for this opportunity to testify today and for your support of a program that provides meaningful and impactful career development.